Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create wild images with AI. Let's start. First of all, open the Discord. Once you get into Discord, click to open Midjourney server Discord. Type in /image in the server inbox. After typing /image, write the prompt as Dragon V4 AR 2:3. Then tap to send the command. You need to have a subscription. Due to extreme demand, they cannot provide you free trial. So subscribe to create an image with Midjourney. When you get a subscription, you can create an image using the same command. You can use this Dragon V4 AR 2:3 command to create wild images. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. It explains me how we're solving new problems every day.